If your C drive keeps filling up for no reason, Windows is probably hiding tens of gigabytes that you've never seen before. This folder alone can grow to 50, 60, even over 70 gigabytes, and it's only the beginning. I'm going to show you 8 settings that quietly steal storage, slow your PC, where to find them, and how to safely clean them without downloading anything. Open File Explorer. Click this PC, open Local Disk. Now open the Windows folder. Scroll down until you find WinSXS. This folder is called the Windows Component Store. It contains backup versions of Windows files so updates can be repaired or rolled back. Over months or even years, it can become extremely large. Do not delete anything inside it manually. Instead, click the Windows button. Type Disk Cleanup. Right-click it. Choose Run as Administrator. Select your C drive. For most people, it's safe to select everything here. The only categories I recommend checking before you click OK are Downloads, Recycle Bin, and Previous Windows Installation. Downloads contains your personal files. The Recycle Bin may still have files you want to recover, and deleting a previous Windows installation means you won't be able to roll back to an older version of Windows. Windows upgrade log files are only used for troubleshooting past Windows updates. If your PC is working normally, they're safe to remove. Next, open Settings. Click System, then Storage. Choose Temporary Files. Windows clean up your files. Wait until it finishes. You'll probably see things like temporary files, thumbnails, and more. Read through the categories. Leave downloads unchecked unless you're sure, then remove everything you don't need. For many people, this is one of the fastest ways to recover storage. Still inside, click System, then Storage. Turn on Storage Sense. Then open its settings. Set Windows to automatically remove temporary files and empty the recycle bin every month. Storage Sense is an automated maintenance tool in Windows 10 and 11 that frees up hard drive space by deleting temporary files, emptying the recycle bin, and offloading unused local cloud content. It runs silently in the background to keep your system drive clean without requiring manual cleanups. Now press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open Task Manager. Click Startup Apps. Sort by Startup Impact. Disable programs you don't need starting with Windows. This won't free storage, but it makes your PC speeds up boot time and reduces background activity while freeing up your system memory every time you turn on your PC. Go back to Settings, then Apps, then Installed Apps. Sort by size. Most people discover software they've completely forgotten about taking up tens of gigabytes. If you don't use it anymore, uninstall it from here instead of simply deleting folders. Uninstalling apps from the Installed Apps menu in Windows safely deletes the program's core files, removes its system registry entries, and frees up storage space. There's one more Windows feature that can quietly reserve several gigabytes without most people realizing it. If you're using a desktop PC and you never use the Hibernate feature, you can free several gigabytes in just a few seconds. Click the Start button, type Command Prompt, then right-click it and choose Run as Administrator. Now type this command exactly as shown on screen, or you can find it in the description below. Then press Enter. Windows immediately removes the hibernation file, which is used to save your system's memory when entering hibernate mode. On many PCs, this file can take up several gigabytes, and on systems with more RAM, it can be even larger. If you regularly use Hibernate or rely on fast startup, you should leave this feature enabled. But if you never use it, this is an easy way to recover storage without uninstalling anything. If you ever want to turn it back on, simply run the opposite command. That's it. We've cleaned hidden files, removed temporary data, and reduced background activity. Those were Windows settings and hidden locations that can recover storage and keep your PC running cleaner without installing any optimization software. If you found at least one folder or setting you didn't know existed, subscribe because I post Windows optimization guides like this every week.